Hey kids, we are going to review our sounds today. So this is a, remember what this is? It is a G, 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 g. So we have a big G and a little g. So I am going to show you a picture and I want you to say g, g, and then the name of the sound. So what is this? G, g, goldfish. G, g, goggles. G, g, gears. G, g, garlic. Alrighty, did you guys get those? So what is this sound again? G, g, g. And what letter is this? G. That's right. So now we're going to do an L. Can you guys remember what an L sound is? Oh. Remember? We go, oh, and our tongue hits our teeth. Oh. So we have our big L and our little L. All right, same thing. You ready? Oh, lobster. Oh, log. Oh, lock. Oh, lime. Oh, leaves. Oh, lunchbox. Oh, lizard. Oh, lettuce. Oh, lemon. And oh, ladder. So what is this one again? It is an L. And what is the sound of an L? Oh. Alrighty. What letter is this one? It's an H. Big H and a little h. What sound does an H make? Ha, ha, ha. It's kind of like a laughing sound. Ha, ha, ha. An H. All right, here we go with our H. Ha, ha. Hammer. Ha, ha. Hanger. Ha, ha. Hot dog. Ha, ha. Horseshoes. Ha, ha. Hamster. Ha, ha. Helmet. Ha, ha. Horse. Ha, ha. Horn. Ha, ha. Hooks. All right, so what was our letter again? It's an H. Big H and a little h. And what sound does an H make? Ha, ha, ha. Good job. All right, we have our last letter. This is our new letter that we learned this week. It is a P for panda. P, p, p. We have a big P and a little p. So what is the sound of the P again? P, p, p. Good job. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing. P, p, and we're going to say the word. P, p, pig. P, p, pen. P, p, pear. P, p, peacock. P, p, parrot. P, p, popcorn. P, p, piano. P, p, pumpkin. And p, p, pineapple. So what letter is this again? A P, that's right. So we have a big P and a little p. Can you make the P sound with me? P, p, p. What is it again? P, p, p. Good job. All right. We will see you later.